You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this art tutorial as I draw traditional African neighborhood on a piece of white paper using a 5B pencil and a pencil eraser. Let's go. If you admire this drawing in progress, please like this video by pressing the relevant button. Also, subscribe to our channel ABC Creative Art TV if you've not done so. Do also share the video link with your family and friends to watch and do the same. Thank you. traditional African neighborhood. We hope you love this drawing. Thank you for liking this video and also subscribing to our channel. Thank you also for extending our video links to your family and friends to do so. Bye.